Hello everyone. Welcome to this training. My name is Abu Ja'far. So in this video, this is the introduction of the class we are about to start, the HIGD, that's High Income Graphic Design. So I welcome you and I congratulate you once again. So if you don't have an account, that's the first thing to mention. So if you don't have an account, please kindly, I will send a link into the group so that you can create so that you can get your account. So it is very simple. Just click the link or you come to www.canva.com. So when you come to canva.com, so just use your Gmail, continue with your Gmail, or you input your email address and password. So it's very simple. So this is the home page, okay? When you log in or when you sign up. So I already have an account and signed in already. So this is the home page. So I don't want this video to be very long, so it is going to be very short. I just want to introduce you to some things on this interface. So when you look at the top here at the top of the screen here, so you can see, so you are going to see the search bar where it says search your content on Canva. So you can search for anything you want to create, you want to design, be it a flyer, okay, a video, a slides, social media content, presentation, a website, and so on and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is if you want to search for anything. So here, these are for projects. So any project like any work you have done in the past, so you are going to see it there. If you want to reaccess them, so you can access them under projects. Okay, so it's going to show you everything, and it is good if you have a folder, if you create a folder for all your design. So you can see this is something I've done today, and you can see on this new though I have Canva Pro, but I'm just using this free account so that you'll be able to know how to manipulate your own tool. Okay, so getting the Canva Pro is the best though, but if you can't afford to get the Pro account, so you can still do amazing things with this free version. Okay, so this is it. So you can create a folder. So you can create a folder. So you can create a folder. Just come here under folders, you can see. So just come here and click on start. Okay, and click on start. So you can create a folder, but we are going to be talking about that later because I don't want this video to be very long. So that is that. So when you look at this plus icon here at the bottom of the screen, when you look at it, so when you click on it, it is going to take you to where you are going to create your account, your design. So it means you are starting a design. Okay, you are starting to create a design. So you are starting from scratch. Okay, so here are suggested contents that you might want to do, suggested tasks like maybe a dog, okay, mobile video, okay, YouTube thumbnail, presentation video, what do we call it, video, and so on and so forth. So but that is not what we want to do, sorry. So here you are. So when you click on any of these things, so it is what maybe you want to create a logo now. So just come here and click on logo. But I won't recommend this. The best is to get the resolution you want to use, and come to customize size at the bottom left corner here. So just click on it. Then here you go. So you are going to input your width. Let's say for example 2000. Height is also what? 2000. So then you 2000, then you click on create. You leave it at px, don't change it please. Then you click on create new design. So you are starting a new design entirely. Okay, here you go. So here we are. This is what you are going to have. A very plain, square. This is what you have. Okay, this is what you have. Now it is giving us some suggestions. Okay, it is giving us some suggestions. Let's say for example now, you want to create a flyer, maybe for a fashion design store, or you want to create a logo for a fashion design store, or you want to create a design, or you want to design a flyer for a real estate company or a medical setup, anything. So if you want to do that, the first thing, let me take it step by step. The first thing you want to do here is to come here. You can see this plus icon. Just click on it. I'm showing you the uses of these tools so that when we get into the business, it shouldn't be new to you. So you can see at the top here, you can see the search bar, search templates. So you can search any template here, as I have mentioned before. Okay, so you can search any template here. So you can search for real estate flyer, so business flyer, so social media, digital marketing, what do you call it, medical this thing, e-commerce, and so on and so forth. So just type in the niche and it's going to give you related designs to that field, like that niche that you just search for. Okay, so we'll still come back to the practical aspect. I'm just explaining the uses. So here you have the elements. So elements like arrows, lines, circles, box, all those things you may want to think you would need on your design. Okay, maybe maybe a button, maybe anything. Just think of it. You can see here we have shapes, here we have graphics, we have stickers, and so on and so forth. So when we get there, you are going to see what I'm saying. So it is loading in. Anyway, so here you can add text here. When you look at the bottom aspect, the bottom of the screen, you can see text. So just click on text. So when you click on text, it's going to give you, from there you can initiate a text. Okay, you can initiate the text. Maybe you have something you want to type on your design, or something, or you want to add so you can do everything there. So this is add heading, add subheading, add a little bit of body text, and so on and so forth. So here you have font combinations. It's going to suggest font combinations for you, but most of the time I don't go for this. Okay, so that's that about that. Anyway, so let's leave this brand for now. So you come to upload. So let's say you have a content that you want to upload from external sources. Okay, maybe you have an icon, okay, on your phone that you want to use in your design on Canva. So the best thing for you to do, if it is an image, you just come here to upload, click on upload files, and click on device. And if you have it on Facebook, you can click on Facebook. If you have it on Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Pics, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you can click on device. It's going to take you down to your file manager. You're going to get the file. So I'm not going to do that for now. So you can draw, but let's leave this drawing for now. You don't really need it that much. So here you can access your projects, the projects you have done. I've also mentioned it. The projects you have done, you can also access it here. Then here you have the apps. You have the apps, the Google apps, okay, like Smart Mockup, like Brand Search, and so on and so forth. There are many tools on this Canva. But when we start taking them one by one, we start taking them one by one, so you are going to be seeing them, you are going to be understanding them, inshallah, biqudratillahi ta'ala. So this will be the end of this class. So just the thing you want to do today is creating your account. Please navigate through all these tools, all these icons, all these functions that I've just mentioned. So just go through them, manipulate them, so revise it, so that when we start the work, so it's not going to be new to you. Sincerely speaking, when I started, the first year I started using Canva, I was frustrated. Okay, that's why the fact that it is the easiest tool to design to design, for designing anyway, is the easiest tool for designing. In fact, I didn't cope. I later left it and went back to my pixel art that I used to use. But later, as time goes on, so I started to see that all these things are even simple. So just because I didn't learn it from anyone, yes, maybe that's the reason why it was very hard for me. But you are learning it now. You are going to enjoy it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.